few words. Someone who is unshakable, unseen, and unbreakable. I am Monica Jade Z. Sosa, a person full of high hopes and big dreams. Let me tell you more about myself, starting with the greetings. A pleasant morning to all of you, especially to our beloved Dr. Mary Rose R. Palma. I am Monica Jade Zuleta Sosa, but you can call me Monica. I am 21 years old, currently residing in Sitio Ibaba, Barangay Malbog, Buenavista, Marinduque. I am a fourth-year college student pursuing Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management. Outside of my academic pursuits, my personal interest includes reading, particularly on platforms like Wattpads. And my hobbies are playing volleyball, dancing, and watching C-drama. When it comes to my personal strength, I consider myself to be a goal-oriented person and good listener. My motivation to take up this course is to deepen my understanding on how companies work with their people, and I believe that the organization's greatest assets is its employees. I am really interested in studying like hiring and training employees, and I want to be someone who help both companies and employees succeed. I'm interested in becoming a recruiter. I like the idea of finding the right person for the right position, and I want to learn how to interview people, see their full potential, and help them start a new chapter for their career. From this program, I hope to gain a comprehensive understanding of core HR principles, from effective recruitment and talent management to employer relation and performance evaluation. I expect to gain crucial skills such as strategic planning for effective recruitment, communication and negotiation for managing employee retention, and analytical skills for conducting fair performance evaluation. I plan to apply these skills in my future career by helping to build an exclusive workplace, resolving employees' issues fairly, and designing programs that empower people to reach their full potential. And in the future, I aim to instill confidence with my future employees, encouraging them to trust with their own skills and qualifications rather than on connections. As a future HR, what matters the most is I find the right person in the right position at the right time. I'm interested in becoming a recruiter. I like the idea of finding the right person for the right position, and I want to learn how to interview people, see their full potential, and help them start a new chapter for their career. As the saying goes, the best way to predict its future is to create it. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I am truly looking forward for the opportunities for learning and growth that this subject will provide.